How to disable notifications in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to disable notifications on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner. Right here, select it. Then here you can find the notifications right here. Now it is turned on. Now to turn it off, simply tap onto this button right here. Select it. And now we can see it is turned off. Now simply do the same process to turn off the notifications on it. And that's it. This is how you can disable notifications into the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.